All of the following projects must comply with the new regulation. New investment projects, production expansion projects, capacity upgrade projects. Dear viewers, it is a pleasure to meet you again in today's video from DIVI. Today we will explore the latest Environmental Technical Regulation, QCVN 19-2024, issued by the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment at the end of 2024, together with circular number 45 of the Ministry. What is new in this regulation? What do businesses need to prepare in order to meet these more stringent standards? Please stay with us until the end of the video. We will provide a download link to the full regulation document for your detailed reference. First, circular number 45 and the effective date of QCVN 19-2024. Regarding its effective timeline, the circular officially takes effect from July 1st, 2025. All of the following projects must comply with the new regulation. New investment projects, production expansion projects, capacity upgrade projects. QCVN 19-2024 will replace a series of previous regulations including QCVN 19-2009, Industrial Emissions for Dust and Inorganic Substances, QCVN 20-2009, Industrial Emissions for Certain Organic Substances, QCVN 23-2009, Cement Industry Emissions, QCVN 34-2010, Petroleum Refining Emissions, as well as many other regulations related to municipal solid waste incineration, hazardous waste treatment in cement kilns, waste oil recycling, and more. Before July 1st, 2025, enterprises that have completed their environmental dossiers may continue to apply QCVN 19-2009 until December 31st, 2031. From January 1st, 2032, all such facilities will be required to fully comply with QCVN 19-2024 main, contents of QCVN 19-2024 first, classification of emission evaluation criteria. The regulation is divided into three columns: A, B, and C. Column A, residential areas, schools, hospitals, nature reserves, strictly protected zones. Column B, industrial zones, production areas, sparsely populated areas, emission-restricted zones. Column C, dedicated industrial zones, areas adjacent to residential zones, integrated environmental control zones. Details of columns A, B, and C can be found in Article 22, Decree Number 08/2022 of the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, attached at the end of this video. Second, classification by gas phase and particulate matter. Gas phase pollutants include carbon monoxide, CO, SO2, NOx, volatile organic compounds, TVOC, dioxins, furans, mercury, etc. Particulate matter includes dust, heavy metals, soot, and related substances. Third, comparison between QCVN 19-2024 and QCVN 19-2009. QCVN 19-2009 has a simpler structure, fewer controlled components, and only two columns, A and B. In contrast, QCVN 19-2024 is much more detailed, featuring 54 gas phase components, 12 particulate components, clear classification into columns A, B, and C in terms of stringency. Carbon monoxide limit reduced from 1,000 milligrams per cubic meter to 350 milligrams per cubic meter. Total dust reduced from 200 milligrams per cubic meter to 60 milligrams per cubic meter. Challenges in applying QCVN 19-2024. All emission limits are significantly lower than before. For biomass-fired boilers, enterprises must address three key issues: dust, carbon monoxide, SO2, if present, solutions for enterprises, dust control, multi-stage dust collection systems such as cyclones, bag filters, electrostatic precipitators, wet scrubbers, etc. CO reduction, optimizing combustion, managing fuel moisture, and maintaining stable operating loads. SO2 treatment, absorption towers using alkaline solutions such as CaOH2 or NaOH. Therefore, selecting a boiler supplier today is no longer just a short-term cost consideration, but a comprehensive decision involving investment cost, operational efficiency, and long-term compliance with technical standards. At DIVI, we are committed to delivering boiler solutions that not only meet regulatory requirements, but exceed the most stringent technical standards. With more than 15 years of experience, we are confident in being a reliable partner to help your business comply with QCVN 19-2024 and move toward a sustainable future. In QCVN 1924, emission limits are categorized into multiple levels, applicable to specific zones. The figures presented in this video are illustrative examples for a particular area only. To determine the exact emission limits applicable to your industry, please download the regulation document via the link in the comment section below, or contact DIVI directly for detailed consultation via our hotline, 0942488818. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.